Hello friends, my name is Sandeep, research scholar from University of Jammu. So in the last video we have learned how to import data from Scopus and Web of Science databases. So in the today video in the bibliometric analysis, uh, let's learn about how to do bibliometric analysis in our software. So basically, you have seen my previous video in which I have do some practical about the basic in R programming language. So there you have to type certain commands for every type of output. So what R have done, R have created a user-friendly interface so that anybody who don't like the command, who don't like the programming, so they can easily use the interference to put their data file here and extract the output for the easiness of the researchers and scientists. So the name of the app is Biblioshiny app. So that is the bibliometric for no coders. So it is developed by Massimo Area and Corrado Corello. So with Biblioshiny, a shiny web-based bibliometric has become very easy to use and even for those who do not have any coding skills. So the Biblioshiny app is app for no coders. Biblioshiny is a Shiny app provided a web interface for bibliometric analysis. It supports Scholar in easy use of their main feature of bibliometrics. Like you have data import, then conversion of data frame collection, you have data gathering and using different type of databases like Dimension, PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, APIs collection, then you have data filtration, and then when you put data in your Biblioshiny app, so they provide certain type of analytics in four different level of metrics like you have sources, author, documents, clustering by coupling, and then you have analysis of three structure of knowledge, that is case structure they provide. First is conceptual structure, then you have intellectual structure, and then you have social structure. So in the coming video we will learn more about this in deep. So let's go to a PDF. So here you can see that Biblioshiny app. These are the PDF in their web page, in their websites. So here you can see that these are the two author. Their paper are cited here. You can always use their reference when you use bibliometric analysis in our software. So these are the two professor of statistics and social science. So Massimo Area and Corrado Corello. Here, let's bibliometric. We have know in the previous video these all. So these all are the usage of R. Say for example, it's a open source, huge community of R peoples, awesome graphic it provides, thousands of package you can use for their different purpose, great machine learning capability and capability for with other tools. So you can easily integrate your R software with a certain other programming language like you have Python, you have many more languages. So these are the databases I have talked in my previous video. So for bibliometric analysis in our software, these are the supported databases. So in the previous video, we have extracted the data from Scopus and Web of Science, Clarivate Web of Science. So you can also extract the data from PubMed. These are generally used for science. You can use Dimension AI. It is also a wonderful database. You can use Opal Alex. You can use lens.org. So these all are the databases that are supported by the our software, our language. So Biblioshiny app is a web-based app including the bibliometric package. So Biblioshiny allow no coder to use the bibliometric analysis. It is developed in the Shiny environment. Just install and load bibliometrics, library bibliometrics, and type Biblioshiny, and the game start here. So how it works? So Biblioshiny combine the functionality of bibliometric package with the ease of use of web app using the Shiny package environment. Here you can see that in the diagram, this is the R environment. You can watch my previous video. So here you can see that you have to type the command here, then you get the output here. These are the variable and you have a certain graphical interference. So for many users, this is very clumsy, or they do not know how to use this command, and for that the R people programming language, they have created a bibliometrics package. So with this bibliometric package, when you install this package, it will redirect to you a shiny dashboard. It is a user friendly. You just have to export your data here, and it provide you a biblioshiny interference, what you see. So in the background it is working, and what you see is like a user friendly interface. In the coming video we will do practical about it. So here you can see the data, what, where, and how. So bibliographic database is a database of bibliographic record. So as you know that in any field, you have lots of people are working, lots of authors are working on a particular topic. Like you have in India, in many around the country worlds. So they are working on the particular topic. For example, all are working in the sustainability. So you have a vast variety of collection of articles in the database. So it is very difficult for the researcher to read all these articles. So you have 10,000 number of articles. So bibliographic will help you to arrange your data and organize digital collection of reference to publish scientific literature, include journal article, conference, and proceeding. They generally contain very rich subject description in the form of keyword, subject, classification, and abstract. So information related to a bibliographic record are named as bibliographic metadata. So metadata means you have a collection of data. In the next video, let's see what is metadata. So these are the main bibliographic database that are multidisciplinary. Scopus Web of Science, it will include all subject. You have sciences, pure science, social sciences, arts and humanity, Open LXR, Dimension, Crossref, and Microsoft Academics. You have some specialized database like you have Cochrane library. It is very good library. IEEE Explore, PubMed, and here you can see that the number of volume Scopus have 27 millions, dimension overlap. Likewise, this is the example of metadata. So what is metadata? So this is the page of any paper you search. So metadata include, first is the journal name, that is the Journal of Informatics. Then you have the topic, bibliometric, and R2 for comprehensive size mapping. Then you have the article history, the receive date, receive on, and accepted date. Then you have certain keywords like bibliographic, science mapping, score citation, bibliographic R package. And then you have abstract. These are the abstract of the paper. And lastly, you have references. These are the references from there they have taken the wording and citation. So all these include in your so metadata. So bibliometric analysis help you to arrange large variety of data. For example, you have 500 to thousands of papers. So they will arrange all the papers and give you a presentation of the database of the certain specific field of studies, that what are the top authors, what are the top journals, top country that are more working toward their topic. So if you want to learn more about this, you can go to the website, just type bibliometrics, and here you will see this page, that is bibliometric.org. This is the main website. So just go here. If you want to read more, so you can go this website and go to tutorial. Here you can find a brief introduction about bibliometric, how to import data, references. You can see the slides and video. And for Biblioshiny, go here, slides. You will find the introduction to Biblioshiny, their focus domain and knowledge structure. We will learn more about in the coming video. So you can explore this site. You have Bibliometric, Biblioshiny, Biblioverse, and many other update in this website. So it include all the explanation we will use in the coming video. So these are the authors. Here, this is the main author who are working in bibliometric analysis. So if you want to use bibliometric and biblioshiny app, so first important step is it is necessary to install R and R Studio. So make sure to download and install the most recent version of R and R Studio. If you want any help, you can see my previous video for reference how to step by step install R and R Studio, or you can go to here POSIT site. Just click here. This page will open. Just click here. Here you can see that you have option. So first you have to install R software, then you have to install R Studio. So that's all for today video. If you want to see my old playlist of R, I have created the playlist, you can watch. If you found useful my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.